Wanna know how to unlike pages on Facebook app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on these 3 straight parallel lines on the top right corner. Scroll down. Tap on Pages below Memories. Tap on this like icon next to Invites. These are all of the liked pages that you have liked before, and if you want to unlike any of the pages, you can randomly choose one. I'm going to randomly choose one and tap on this liked below their particular name. Just by doing it, you have successfully unliked this particular page. You can try it one more time. Tap on this liked below their name. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am gonna see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.